12203 4th Ave Northwest, dates April 30th, 2021, making this recording from the 2-inch clean out access here in the crawl space of the home. I'm going to pull back from this point. We're going to get a look at the line and make some recommendations. So we got a 6-inch diameter concrete line, fairly good sized lip in the pipe there near the main. Six-inch diameter concrete coming back from the main, intact and functioning. It's in decent shape. Come around a slight turn there. I think we come back into 4-inch diameter pipe at that point. So we're now back in 4-inch diameter pipe. Bottom of the pipe's looking a little rough in this area. And that turn looks like it's seen better days. I'm going to locate that spot real quick. Alright, continuing the recording. Coming back around this last turn. And into cast iron now. And we got something on the end of the screen, but the cast iron is in good shape. I already saw it. I'm going to end the recording there.